Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Palvi. I create makeup and beauty content here on YouTube. If you wanna know how I create this look, then please keep on watching. First of all, I'm going to apply lenses. These are from Olenses. For primer, today I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer. This is a very amazing product. It gives you a matte finish but doesn't dry your face out. So I love this product very much. I'm blending this primer with the help of my hands because it will merge into my skin very nice with the help of my hands. Now to color correct, I'm using Swiss Beauty's concealer and applying it all over the area where I have darkness, dark spots or pigmentations. This concealer is darker to my skin tone, so yeah, it will help me to hide my dark spot pigmentation and acts like a color corrector. And I'm blending this color corrector with the help of a concealer brush which is from Pro Art. Now for foundation, I'm using e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I'm going to list all the shades, all the products in the description box down below with their links. You can go and check it out there. And I'm blending it with my beauty blender. And to highlight my face, here I'm using Sugar Magic Wand Concealer and applying it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin and my forehead. And now I'm blending this concealer out with my beauty blender. And yeah, you can grab all these products from Nykaa because their big beauty bash sale is going on. You can get up to 50% off on your favorite brands. It's going to be held on 8th April to 16th April. Go and grab your favorite products now. And now for set my under eyes or entire face, I'm using Coloursense HD Loose Powder and applying it onto my under eyes with the help of this makeup puff and set my entire face. To add some dimension to my face, here I'm using Coloursense bronzer and applying it onto the hollow of my cheekbones, forehead, jawline and nose. A pro tip, if you are blending your contour onto your cheekbones, try to blend it in the upward motion, and if you are blending your contour to the jawline, try to blend it to the downward motion. It will give you a chiseled, structured and defined look. Now for blush, here I'm using Sivana Colors blush. This blush is exact dupe to NARS Orgasm. It gives the same finish, same touch and same stay. And now to highlight my face, here I'm using Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette and taking these two shades and applying it onto my cheekbone, my nose, my lips or my cupid bow, you can say. Now for eyes, here I'm using Fashion Colors Brown Gel Kajal or eyeliner and applying it onto the outer corner of my eye or to the inner corner to my eyes, and now blending it properly. To blend that kajal, I'm using Swiss Beauty's palette and taking this deep plum shade and now blending this in circular motions. And you have to be very careful while doing this because you don't have to mess it out. For this look, I'm gonna be creating a halo eye look. So for that, I'm gonna be leaving my center lid empty for some shimmers and glitters. Now I'm going to do my other eye. Take your time, blend it properly because once your kajal is dry out, it won't budge. It won't move from its place. So try to blend it very quickly because if it dries, it will give you that patch onto your eye. To blend the harsh lines, here I'm using this light pinky brown shade and just blending out the edges that it will be look seamless, fully blended, no harsh lines. Now to cut the halo eye look, here I'm using Swiss Beauty concealer on the back of my hand and taking a flat tip brush. This is a very precise brush. This is mainly for cut creases. You can use any flat tip brush which is supremely fine. So here I'm done with the halo eye cut. Now to add some shimmers, here I'm using an antique gold shade. With the help of my fingers, I'm going to apply it all over my lid because the shimmer shades and pigments blend out with the help of your finger more efficiently and more amazingly rather than a brush. It will give you more pigment and more payoff with the help of your fingers. To add on some glitters, here I'm using a pressed glitter and taking this antique gold shade and applying it onto the center of my lid where I have applied the shimmer part. And now for kajal, here I'm using Lakme's kajal and applying it onto my waterline and taking it a bit out because I have to blend that kajal with the same color which I used to create the halo eye look as I'm doing now. I'm taking that same deep plum shade and blending out my kajal to give this look more definition. Now my lashes are on, and now for my lips, here I'm using Swiss Beauty's lip liner in the bold collection and lining my lips. For my lipstick, here I'm using Delancey lipstick. All the shades I'm gonna be listing in the description box down below. You can go and check there out. This is a super amazing lipstick, long stay, amazing and very affordable. And now to give that ombre effect or to create this shade in a bit nude color, I'm taking this same Sugar Magic Wand concealer and applying it onto the center of my lips and blending it out with the help of my fingers. And that's it for the video, guys. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you want to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me. My socials are in the description box down below. And yeah, if you want to book me for your big days, my contact details on the screen or in the description box down below. You can go and check it out. And if you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Even though I upload a video, you get notified. For now, bye bye and take care.